This is the freight elevator. It's our Pennsylvania Case 59's elevator. And take a look at this. This is a completely original, old vintage, Haughton manually controlled elevator. Wow. Now let's shut the outer door. Oh, center opening. Let's shut the inner gate. This is by the same manager as the King Edward Apartments. Here's your annunciator, Haughton Elevators, Toledo, Ohio. Anyway, let's go down. These things are very bouncy. That's how far down as it wants to go. Anyway, let's go up to 10. This is my first time fully operating a manually controlled elevator, so bear with me for my shakiness and nervousness. Number 10. Let's see if we can go further. Number 10, which only opens up right there. Before we go back down, we'll get ourselves a cab view. Very worn out cabinet, it's very nice. Fluorescent, round fluorescent light fixture. Very nice, but wooden cabinet kind of beaten up. Old Haughton elevator crank. I'll get my still pictures after the video. There's your annunciator. Anyway, let's go back down now. Past the basement. Shoot, I may have hit the limit switch. Oh well. Here's the main basement door there. Now we're going to take a second ride, but this time I'm going to restart the video so I can use the flashlight. Alright, now that I have my flashlight on, let's go back up to 10. Whoa. Switch up this side this time. You're at 10, well almost at 10, I don't feel going any further. I don't feel like going any further, I don't feel comfortable. Anyway, let's go down to one and end. Whoa, that was a weird noise. A little shaky, this thing runs very well. Your annunciator, which I'm assuming probably doesn't work anymore. PA Elevators has also filmed this thing before.